My name is Charles Mwangi from Jumbolene Kenya Limited, a manufacturing company that manufactures roof insulation for various needs, being roof insulation, wall insulation, damp-proof membrane, structural products such as expansion joint filler and sealant rods. We also do packaging material for floriculture. Today, I'm at a church in Utawala where we are installing roof insulation for a new roof. The insulation is 5 mm thick and it comes above the purlins. So the procedure of installing it is installing galvanized 2 mm galvanized strainer wires at 300 mm centers. Then ensure that from the king post to the gutter end, the wires are pulled taut enough so that they ensure there is no sagging of the insulation. After that should be installed over the whole roof. Next is the insulation that is laid over the galvanized strainer wires, and it is installed with the shiny surface facing the mabati. Then after that, you place mabati on top and ensuring that it is over the insulation and having the necessary overlaps. So you'll have the roofing screw going through the mabati first, then the insulation, then into the purlin. That is how you secure the insulation to the mabati, to the roofing members.